Alright, welcome back to Mach E Connection. Again, let's hit the bag. Let's check out some AOSK mud flaps. Alright, so this is the mud flap. Look on this side. You can see it says right here, rear left. This is the driver's side of the car. Looks like this is going to go right on like that. So I want to give me a flat head. I think it might help. What do we got over here? Yep, screwdriver I think a little easier. Just be careful you don't scratch anything you don't want scratched. Okay, yeah, so it does mention the bolt, the one bolt. A little screwdriver here should be good for it. Not very tight at all, comes right off. With that, we should be good to install our mud flap. So it did come with plungers. Looks like they get extra too, which is nice. Bloody hell, it's tight. Well, they're good plungers. They're really tight, so I should definitely hold. You do want to use a ratchet. It looks like it'd be a 10mm is the right size. It looks like this one only has 2 plungers. Actually, no, a bolt and 1 plunger. And this bolt uses a hex head, which I don't think I have a tool for, so I'll have to find one. We did look it over. AOSK did provide us with the hex key we need. Again, plastic screws do not go in very tight. Oh, let's get a rag and wipe this area out first. We're going to use 1 plunger from AOSK. Just like that. these things are really tight. This thing won't be coming off easily. That's for sure. There we go. And we're going to reuse our bolt. Nice finger tight. One thing I'm noticing is these mud flaps have a little contour, so it goes with the trim. I quite like that. It's pretty smart thinking. Look at that. That just contours with the car really well. Even on a little trim bit. Looking pretty good to me. Alright, 2 more to go. Now, before I wipe this tire off, I do want to show you this. You can see already where there's dirt, kind of tired, hitting the bumper here. So eventually this paint here is going to get scratched and damaged by all the road debris. These mud flaps will prevent that. So even if you lose a little range, which I don't think you will, I think these are well worth it. And they fit really well. Let's get the last one done. Oh yeah, put that screw in first, it goes a lot easier. So we're at a 2.4 kilowatt hour right now, before the mud flaps. Let's go for a quick drive up down the highway and see if that changes at all. Alright, so we're back from our mud flap road test, and as you can see right here, we went 42 miles, about 36 minutes, and we used 2.4 miles per kilowatt hour, 987.3, 1% for temps. Yesterday, we did 180 miles, we still had 2.3, and again, 987.3, 1%. So that basically telling me the mud flaps did not make me lose any range or nothing, and they do protect the car. I'll show you that next. All right, so as you can see here, the first front flap. You can see before we had a whole bunch of mud and dirt right here. Now it's all clean, just wet from the rain. The other tire, this one was really bad. Again, all clean, good. So the mud flaps definitely do their job of protecting the car's paint from road debris. Just gonna give the last one a look. As you can see, no more road debris on the car. So yeah, mud flaps definitely work. I definitely recommend them. So with that, I'll catch you later.